It is not a secret anymore that Google has been working on a foldable phone for quite some time now. It was expected to be launched by the end of 2021, but that did not happen. So now we are expecting this phone to launch this year. While Google itself has not said anything yet, a lot of leaks and rumors have revealed some major details about this foldable phone. So in this video, let us go through all of them. Starting off with the name of this phone, it was previously expected to be named the Google Pixel Fold because that is the simplest name anyone can think of for a Google foldable. But as per a report by 9to5 Google, the phone might be called Google Pixel Notepad. Now this is just a rumor as of now, so we cannot say whether this is indeed the final name of this phone because some other names have also been rumored previously, one of which was Pixel Logbook. One thing that is pretty much confirmed is the fact that this phone is internally codenamed Pipit, and the benefit of knowing the internal code name of any product is that we can easily identify any piece of code that references this product. The same happened with the Android 12 Beta 2 because in that version 9to5 Google found some animations for inserting a SIM card, and those animations showed a foldable phone. The code for those animations had the reference to the Pipit code name. So one animation showed the phone in folded state, whereas the other in a wide unfolded state. The SIM card tray is shown to be on the bottom, which is the case with the recently launched Oppo Find N as well. And speaking of the Oppo Find N, the foldable by Google is going to look more like the Find N instead of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. What that means is the Google Pixel Notepad is short and wide instead of tall and narrow. Talking about the specifications of the Pixel Notepad, one thing that is confirmed is that this phone has the Google Tensor chip. Now that is not a surprise at all because the same chip powered the Pixel 6 series of last year. Apart from this, we also know the camera specifications. So there is a dual camera setup on the back of this foldable phone. Now instead of a 50 megapixel sensor as on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, Google has gone for an older 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor. This is the same camera sensor that we have seen on a lot of Pixel phones before the Pixel 6 series. Now one of the reasons why Google went for an older sensor instead of the same 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor could be to make sure that the Pixel Notepad is not too thick when folded. Because as we know, the GN1 sensor is quite a large camera sensor, and that is why the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro have a thick camera bar on the back. This is something we saw with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as well because that phone did not have the same cameras as the Galaxy S21 series. The second camera on the back of Pixel Notepad is an ultra-wide with a 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 sensor. For selfies, both the outer as well as the inner displays have an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor. And finally, we also got to know what is the target price for this foldable phone. As per 9to5 Google, the target price of this phone is $1,400 US, which basically means it is going to be less expensive than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which starts at $1,800 US. As of now, there is no information on the launch date yet, so we have to wait for some more details. Anyways, what are your expectations with the first foldable phone by Google? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.